when you have a baby, it all sort of
Or the
drops.
pelvic floor,
Yeah.
your muscles go there,
Yeah.
and then so it was activity really. that was
Even
bringing
like
it on.
things like going to the gym became hard for me, and I'm going to my personal trainer, oh, I can't do that, I might wet myself, and it gets embarrassing having to say something, or sneezing. I get really bad hay fever, I'm on the school run and I'm sneezing, and by the time I've got there, I can't get out the car.
Oh no.
So it has really changed my life. It wasn't painful at all. It took literally 10 minutes to do. It was a bit awkward at first because I didn't know what I was going to do or how it was going to be done, and it was scary, but it was just so quick and easy.
So explain the procedure then. What do they do?
So you just basically lie on a normal couch, like as if you were in the dentist almost, and they just put a probe inside, which has got a laser on, and they just literally turn the laser around, pull it a little bit out, turn the laser around, pull it a little bit out, and literally I can't tell you how good it is and how much it's worked.
Did it hurt?
It did not hurt, no, it didn't hurt at all. It worked. I was fine. I was doing pull-ups and I was like, this is great. I'm not wetting myself.
So literally it changed that fast?
It changed that fast. I was jumping up and down last night when Liverpool scored and I had no problem.
But you would have done before?
Yeah.